Today's recipe Chana Dal Gosht. Split chickpea lentil or chana dal 1 cup. Add sufficient water. Wash and drain the water. Again add sufficient water. Rest for 5 to 6 hours. Drain the water. Keep aside. Mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Add the soaked split chickpeas. Roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer them to a bowl. Keep aside. Mustard oil 4 tablespoons. Bay leaf 1 piece. Medium-sized onion 2 pieces. Fry them for a minute. Beef heart liver or dil kaleji 500 grams. Mix well. Keep it in a medium flame. Fry them for a minute. Salt as per taste. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Cook them for a minute. Medium-sized onion 1 piece. Mix well. Cook them for a minute. Green chilies as preferred. Mix well. Curd or dahi half cup. Mix well. Cook them for a minute. Coriander leaves 1 to 2 stalks. Saute them well. Mix the fried chana dal. Saute them well. Add sufficient water to make gravy. Simmer for 10 minutes. Saute them well. Keep it in a low flame. Simmer for 10 minutes. Saute them well. Turn off the flame. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with rice or roti.